Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hi, I am Japneet and today we are going to start with the new topic of EVS, our body parts. If you remember, in the last session we have done sense organs. So this topic is connected to that, but we are today going to do whole body parts from head to toe in this session. Let's begin, but before beginning it, you should be subscribing my channel for more updates. So firstly, let's see our body. So this is the front and the back of our body. So we are now going to see which body part it is. See, this is our face, and let's start with our we have on our face. Firstly, this is our hair. What is it? Hair. Now, next one is forehead. What is it? Forehead. Now, what are these? These are eyebrows. What are these? Eyebrows. After eyebrows, what is this? Eye. So we have two eyes. After eyes, let's see. Next one is ear. So what is it? It's ear. Let's see the next one. What is this? How do we smell? By nose. How do we smell? By nose. Next one is cheek. What is it? Cheek. Now, let's talk about the mouth. What is it? It's mouth. And inside the mouth, we have teeth. What we have? Teeth and tongue. What is the second thing we have in the mouth? Tongue. Yes. And in the end, we have chin. What do we have? Chin. So we have studied about our face. Let's move on to next one, which is our arm. Our arm. Let's see our arm. So on the arm, firstly, this is our shoulder. What is it? This is our shoulder. Then below that, full arm. Full arm. After that, the joining point is elbow. What is this? Elbow. After that, this is wrist. This is wrist. Now, what is this? This is forearm. What is this? This is forearm. And after that, what is this? This is our hand. This is our hand. Now we are going to do the parts of hand. So, what is this? This is our thumb. This is our thumb. Now, what is this? This is our finger. This is our finger. And on the finger, what is this? This is nail. What is this? This is nail. Alright. Now let's see our hand. Again, we are talking about hand because we were not clear with that. So let's see. Here I am going to tell you each and every finger. What do we call that finger? Alright. So starting with the hand, this is our thumb. This is our thumb. Now this first finger. This first finger is known as index finger. What is this? Index finger. This second finger, the long one, is known as middle finger. What is this? Middle finger. Now the finger beside that, this is ring finger. What is this? This is ring finger. Now the next one, the little one, the small one is little finger. What is it? Little finger. And on every finger and thumb, what do we have? We have nails. So what do we say that? Finger, nail. What do we say that? Finger, nail. Now see at the back of our hand, what is this? What is this? These are knuckles. What is this? These are knuckles. Now, what is this? The joining of arm and our hand is called wrist. What do we call it? Wrist. Now, inside the hand is called palm. What do we call it? Palm. And when we combine all the fingers and thumb together, we make a fist. What do we make? Fist. Alright? Now we'll talk about our leg. So we have done our face and our arm, then our hand, and now we are going to do our leg. So firstly, starting from the top, which part is this? This is thigh. What is this? This is thigh. Now, joining part is known as knee. Joining of your thigh and this part is knee. So what do we call this part? We call it calf. What do we call it? Calf. And the front part is shin. What is this? Shin. Now you see this part. What do we call it? This is ankle. You can see a bone here. So it is called ankle. Now this is our foot. What is this? This is our foot. And this at the end, below the foot, end of the foot is heel. And the down surface of the foot is sole. What do we call it? Sole. And like hands have finger, our foot have toes. What do we have? Toes. Now we are going to talk about our foot. Let's see. So here you can see foot from the side and from the above. We are starting with the toes. What are these? These are toes. Now you can see this bouncy part. This is called ball. What do we call it? Ball. And this whole part down there is called sole. And this mount, you can see here a space. This mount is called instep. What do we call it? Instep. And this proper surface where it is like a mountain shape, empty, this is called arc because it's round. And this is at the end is heel. What is it? Heel. So now let's see this toe. What do we call this toe? We call big toe. What do we call it? Big toe. And the others are only toe. And this last one, very small one, is known as little toe. And as we have nails on our fingers, similarly we have nails on our toes. So those are known as toenail. What is that? Toenail. Now that this part, top of the foot, is known as bridge. What do we call it? Bridge. And this, at the side of our foot, there is a bone, a round bone, that is known as ankle. What do we call it? Ankle. Now our front body. You can see from head to toe, I have mentioned everything here. Head, forehead, eyebrows, eyes, ears, nose, mouth, chin, neck, shoulder, chest, elbow, arm, waist, hand, finger, thigh, calf, knee, shin, heel, ankle, foot, toe, ball, arc. So you can see all those parts we have done before. I have mentioned all those parts in a single picture here. Now let's see our body parts, our whole body parts we have done till now. So you can see this boy. I have mentioned all the parts here, like I have mentioned the parts in previous picture, but there are some more like tooth, lip, tongue, back, so which I haven't mentioned before, I have given in this picture. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the session. Please do subscribe my channel for more updates, and do not forget to like and share to other people so that you can help them. Bye bye. Take care. Stay safe. Stay home. Stay healthy.